Hello, it's Kev from dataSights here, and this is a quick video to show you how to connect Power BI Desktop to your cloud database to start building your automated reports. So first things first, please check that you've got your IP address added to your cloud database over here. For more instructions on how to do that, please just watch this video. Pretty easy thing to do. All right, so the first thing obviously is make sure that you've got Power BI Desktop open. Very helpful. The second most important thing is please always make sure that you are selecting direct query when building your reports. You can't change the setting afterwards. If you build it in import mode, it just simply won't be live. That's more for like the people who have to build using Excel data. It means that data is in your PBIX file when you publish it up to Power BI Desktop, and it's therefore not automated, not in real time. So just don't even bother. Just go direct query. Right, so the first thing we need is the server name. So as you can see, that's over here. It's a read-only field, hence that funny do not enter icon thingy. Don't worry about the database name. We're all good with that. Second most important thing is select database over here. So take the username, and I'm just going to pause the video while I get the password. So click show password, put in your login for the whole your Data Hub platform here, and that will then expose. It's just another layer of security that we put in to protect your password. So I'm just going to pause the video, copy the password across. All right, so I've got the password in my clipboard. Now I'm going to hit that up over here. And now we are busy connecting to your Microsoft Azure Cloud Database. And there we go, we're in. And literally now, as you know, you can connect to your tables or your views, etc. Pull those in, save your PBIX file down, open it up again, and you'll have that connection in place. So in summary, this video was to show you how to connect Power BI Desktop to your cloud database. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day further.